This is Mr. Hardesty. Let's take a look at a problem where we determine the properties of reciprocal functions. Identify the asymptotes, domain, and range of each function. In our first function, we can see the vertical asymptote is graphed, x equals -6. How did we come up with that? Well, if we analyze the denominator of our function, x plus 6, and we set that equal to 0. We subtract 6, and know that when x equals -6, we would have 0 in the denominator, which is not possible. So our vertical asymptote represents that value, -6, where our curve will never touch. The domain and range, we can state those. The domain, the set of all x values, would be all real numbers except for -6. That is, any value along the x-axis except for -6. For the range, we have no limitation. That is, the set of all y values will be all real numbers. In our second function, we have x equals 5, already stated as our vertical asymptote. In the math, much like our first example, we'll set that denominator of our function, x minus 5, equals to 0. We add 5 and x equals 5. There is our vertical asymptote. We'll state the domain and range. The domain, the set of all x's, that will be all real numbers except for 5. All x values except for the asymptote. The range, all y values, well, that once again can be any real number.